everyone. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I hope you are having a good day. Maybe you are listening while sitting in your room. Or maybe in the kitchen.
Yes, and maybe someone is listening while washing dishes right now.
Oh, yes, exactly. And today's episode is very simple, very useful, and very real. Today we will talk about home routine in English.
I like this topic because we stay at home every day, but many learners still cannot talk about simple home activities in English.
Yes, that is true. Many people know grammar rules, but when someone asks, "What are you doing at home?" they become quiet.
Yes. Sometimes I also think too much before speaking. I know the words in my mind, but they do not come out.
And that is normal. Don't worry. Today we will practice together, slowly, naturally, and easily. No pressure.
That sounds relaxing.
Good. So listeners, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and just enjoy this conversation, like two friends talking.
Yes. No fear, no stress. Just simple English practice.
Alex, can I ask you something?
Sure.
What do you usually do after waking up?
First, I drink water.
Nice. Very simple sentence. I drink water.
Then I wash my face.
Perfect. And after that?
I go to the kitchen and make food.
Very good. See, listeners, these are small sentences, but they are powerful in daily life.
I think learners make one big mistake.
What mistake?
They try to speak difficult English.
Oh, wow. Yes, that is true.
They want perfect English. They want big vocabulary. But daily English is usually simple.
Exactly. Native speakers also use short sentences many times. Okay, listeners, repeat after me, slowly. I drink water.
I drink water.
I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I make food.
I make food.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Very good. See? You are already speaking English.
And maybe some listeners are smiling now.
I hope so.
Harry, can I tell you something funny?
Of course.
Before, I used to translate every sentence in my mind. Oh, yes. Many learners do that. For example, I wanted to say, I am in my room. But first, I thought in Urdu, then translated it into English.
And that makes speaking slow.
Very slow.
Listeners, if you also do this, don't feel bad. Many learners have this habit. But slowly, with practice, your mind can start thinking in English naturally.
Yes, start with easy home words.
Exactly. Words like room, kitchen, water, food, sleep, wash.
Small words, but very useful.
Okay, Alex, let's do a small role play.
Okay.
I will ask simple questions. You answer naturally.
Let's do it.
Where are you now?
I am in my room.
Nice. What are you doing?
I am listening to a podcast.
Good answer.
Thank you.
Did you drink water today?
Yes, I did.
Great. Did you help in the kitchen?
Yes, I helped my mother make food.
Very nice.
See, listeners? The questions are simple.
Yes, daily English is about daily life.
Harry, I think learners feel shy because they think their English is not perfect.
Yes, but perfect English is not the goal.
Then what is the goal?
Communication.
That is important.
If people understand you, that is already a success.
Wow, I like that.
Okay, listeners, now imagine this situation. You wake up early in the morning. Your mother says, "Can you bring water?" What can you say?
Yes, I can bring water.
Very good.
Or maybe, here is your water.
Excellent.
These are real-life sentences.
Exactly.
Can we practice kitchen sentences too?
Of course.
Okay.
Repeat after us. I am in the kitchen.
I am in the kitchen.
I am making food.
I am making food.
The food smells good.
The food smells good.
Can you wash the dishes?
Can you wash the dishes?
Very nice.
These sentences feel easy because they are real and natural. Harry, sometimes learners ask me, how can I remember English words?
Ah, good question.
What should they do?
Connect English with your daily routine.
Explain more.
For example, when you enter your room, say room in your mind.
Oh.
When you drink water, say water. When you feel sleepy, say I want to sleep.
Wow. That is smart.
Yes, small practice every day is powerful.
And it feels natural too.
Exactly.
Listeners, don't wait for perfect time.
Yes, start today.
Even 5 minutes of practice is good.
Very true.
Harry, can we do another role play?
Sure.
Okay, this time I will ask questions.
Let's go.
Harry, where is your water bottle?
It is in my room.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
What food do you want?
I want simple food.
Can you cook?
A little.
Only a little?
Yes, I can make tea and eggs.
Not bad.
Thank you, thank you.
Listeners, did you understand this conversation?
I hope yes.
And if you missed something, don't worry.
Yes, listen again later. Repetition is very important.
I remember when I started learning English, I felt nervous even saying one sentence.
Really?
Yes, I was afraid people would laugh at me.
Oh, many learners feel that.
But slowly, I understood something important.
What? Mistakes are normal.
Wow.
Yes. Children also make mistakes when learning language.
Exactly.
Mistakes mean you are trying.
Okay, listeners, now let's practice a small home routine story.
Oh, nice.
Listen carefully. I wake up in the morning. I drink water. I wash my face. Then I go to the kitchen. I make food and drink tea. After that, I clean my room. At night, I sleep early.
Very simple and clear.
Yes. Now, listeners, try to say your own routine.
Even short sentences are okay.
Yes. For example, I wake up late. I drink tea. I clean my room. I sleep at 11 p.m.
I think speaking about your own life helps memory
Absolutely.
because it is personal and real.
Exactly.
Harry, can we talk about one common problem?
Sure.
Some learners understand English videos, but they cannot speak.
Ah, yes. Passive learning.
Hmm?
It means they only listen. They do not practice speaking.
Oh,
Listening is important, but speaking practice is also necessary.
so listeners should repeat sentences?
Yes, repeat loudly if possible,
Even alone in the room?
especially alone in the room.
True. Your room can become your English classroom. Wow, I like that line.
And don't worry about accent too much.
Yes. Speak clearly first.
Confidence grows slowly.
One small step every day.
Exactly.
Okay, listeners, now let's practice quick questions and answers.
Ready?
Ready. Where are you? I am at home. What are you drinking? I am drinking water.
Are you in the kitchen?
No, I am in my room.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I did.
Are you sleepy?
A little.
Then sleep early tonight.
Good advice.
Listeners, answer these questions yourself too.
Yes. Pause the podcast and speak. Don't just listen silently.
Use your voice.
Exactly. Harry, what is your favorite place at home?
Probably my room.
Why?
Because it is quiet. I can relax there.
Oh, nice.
What about you?
I like the kitchen.
Really?
Yes. I like the smell of food.
Haha, understandable.
Listeners, what is your favorite place at home?
Good question.
Think in English before answering.
Yes. Maybe say, my favorite place is my room. Or, I like the kitchen.
Very easy.
Exactly.
Harry, can we teach some useful vocabulary now?
Yes. Let's do a small vocabulary practice.
Okay, listeners, repeat the words slowly.
Room.
Room.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
My mother is in the kitchen.
My mother is in the kitchen.
Water.
Water.
Please drink water.
Please drink water. Food. Food.
The food is ready.
The food is ready.
Sleep.
Sleep.
I want to sleep.
I want to sleep.
Wash.
Wash.
Please wash your hands. Please wash your hands. Clean. Clean. My room is clean. My room is clean. Bed. Bed. I am sitting on the bed. I am sitting on the bed. Towel. Towel. Where is my towel? Where is my towel? Window. Window. Please open the window. Please open the window. Very good, everyone. This feels like real English now. Because it is real English. True. Listeners, remember one thing. What? Fluency does not come in one day. It comes from small daily practice. Like daily water for a plant. Wow, nice example.
Thank you.
If you practice every day, your English will grow slowly. And one day, you will speak naturally. Exactly.
Harry, sometimes learners compare themselves with others.
Ah, yes. That can make people sad.
They think, my English is weak.
But every learner has a different journey. Maybe someone started earlier. Maybe someone has more practice. So focus on your own progress. Yes,
Even small improvement matters.
Like speaking one new sentence today.
Exactly.
Listeners, today, after this episode, try one thing. What? Walk around your home and name things in English.
Oh, that is a great exercise.
Say door, window, room, bed, kitchen, water.
Very practical.
And very easy.
Before we finish, let's do one final mini conversation.
Okay,
Hey, Alex, what are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
Did you drink water?
Yes, I did.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I want food.
Then go to the kitchen.
Good idea.
And after food?
I will wash the dishes.
Wow, responsible person.
I try.
And then?
Then I will sleep early.
Perfect.
Listeners, did you notice something?
What?
We used simple words again and again.
Yes, repetition helps memory.
So don't feel bored by repetition.
It is part of learning.
Today's episode was very comfortable.
Yes, just simple home English.
And sometimes simple things are the most powerful.
Absolutely.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing English every single day, even for a few minutes.
Speak without fear.
Make mistakes, learn, and continue.
And remember, your room, your kitchen, your home all can help you learn English.
Before we go, tell us in the comments, what do you usually do at home every day?
Try to answer in simple English.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share 24/7 Talk English with your friends.
We will meet again in the next episode.
Until then, drink water, practice English, and take care.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!